What's up, guys? We'll do stuff here. Today we're going to be looking at this portable hand warming power bank thing. My wife got it for me from one of those websites, Temu, I believe, something kind of like a Wish or an AliExpress. It doesn't really work that way. It doesn't get particularly hot, and the battery doesn't last particularly long, maybe about an hour. Which is weird considering it claims to be 5,000 milliamp hours. Now, this is my hand. This is its power. It's kind of small, but I mean, theoretically, you could fit a 5,000 milliamp hour LiPo cell in there. But I don't think that's what we're working with here. So, I'm going to take this thing apart. Tools. Screwdriver. Flat bit. That won't work. Shouldn't be too difficult to get this apart. So, looking at the side of this thing, there's some damage there from the factory. Looks like it might open from the bottom because I'm seeing some skips. Screwdriver. Pop. Oh, it's not even glued down. It just snaps off. Tops off. What do we got on this side? Looks like some sort of maybe PTC or some kind of resistant heating element. Doesn't look like a very powerful one, which is probably why it wasn't. So that's interesting. I don't see any screws for this thing to screw together, so I'm going to assume that I just need to jam a screwdriver into a battery nut. That's the worst that could happen, right? Let's see. Oh, I see clips. Clips. Oh, yeah, that's unhealthy. Ooh, sometimes you just have to break stuff. That's not a 5,000 battery. That is an 18650. Huh. Completely unmarked 18650. But I know it's not 5,000 milliamp hours. Maybe 2,000, 1,500, something like that. There's the little circuit board. There's not a lot to this. Parent model number of this terrible. Yeah. Let's make this safer. Let's not make this safer. Need to diffuse the bomb. There's not a bomb diffusing cells. I lost my bomb diffusing scissors. I'll be right back. Nope, found them. Let's see. Snip and snip. Bomb defused. Totally safe bomb now. We don't need that anymore because it's not going back together. And that's pretty much it. It's just some cheap circuit board attached to a single 18650 claiming to be a 5,000 milliamp hour power bank. I mean, at least it did have a hand heater on one side. I wonder if there's one on the other side. Yes, it does have two. It has two of the terrible little hand heater resistive things. Huh. I never would have guessed that it sucked, other than the fact it did. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That's all for today.